Hi everyone, this is Liz with Craft to Devotion, and today I'm going to show you a very talented lady. I am deciding that I want to try out software and try out these new videos I've been thinking of doing because I don't have that much time, but I want you to see this inspirational lady. Her name is alittleshabbychic. I want you to head over to her channel and subscribe to her, subscribe to me, and in the comment section I want you to comment whether you like this type of video, and I want you to also tell me where you're from. Okay, right here she's using, starting with some gauze type fabric, and she's finishing off one where she used circles, and they were about 3 to 4 inches, something like that, but she'll tell you in her video where she really experiments and shows you how she made them. She shows you the difference. Now she uses just simple products. You know, when I came out with my video, I used a hairpin, and she uses something different than I did, and it makes a very nice, easy flower. This time she chose to use some squares. So she's using the squares and she's piling them on top of each other, and just watch what she uses next. In my case, I used the pen, and I came up with that idea on my own, but I discovered later that it was like not a new idea. It was new to me because I came up with it on my own. But there's other people who have used hairpins to make flowers before too. So although unique to me and unique the way maybe some of the twists I put on it, for her it wasn't. So you can go see some of my videos too. But look, she uses a little button, and she's using a hair tie, like a little hair tie or something like that. And I was thinking if I'd experiment, then I would use cotton fabric, because cotton string, because that's what I have.
I really like that.
But check that out.
Lots of frayed edges.
Look how easy that was for her to make that flower. Now I want you to, she'll tell you all the details over on her channel. She really has a long detailed video where she experiments. She uses different fabrics and things like that. And hold on here, because she actually still has to put the center in it. And look at that. Look how gorgeous that shabby flower. So she enjoys shabby, making things that are very shabby. She makes other flowers too. And she inspired me many years ago to keep on experimenting. And I hope she inspires you. And make sure you
obviously I used a lot more layers than
join her channel, subscribe, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you want more videos like this, or if you want
I think I used 2 different sizes on
or you don't like it. But I really like lifting other people's up and giving them a thumbs up, because I think crafters work really hard for what they do, and then for them to share their talent with you is just a reward. So I'll talk to you guys next time.